Naghahanap ka ba ng mga Philippine native trees na fast-growing trees at excellent shade trees? Dito lang yan sa The Plantation Garden and Forestry Nursery. Meron ditong tinatawag na bitaog tree o palumaria tree. Meron din tayong mulabi tree. At siyempre nandito din ang Philippine National Tree na Nara tree. Dito nyo rin matatagpuan ang native tree, mga Philippine native tree na halos indigenous tree o endemic na, tulad ng hard ipil, ilang-ilang tree, dao tree, kamagong tree, o yung tinatawag na mabolo tree, rainbow eucalyptus tree or baggrass tree, banaba tree, native talisay tree, bignay tree, alibangbang or